morning, church. Welcome to the last Sunday in August. I cannot believe August has flown by. We want to welcome you. God bless you. We're glad you're here. You are in the very best place you could ever be, right here in the presence of God. This month, we've been talking about habits for relationships. I hope you've been blessed the way I've been. I feel like I know so many things already about relationships, but God bless you. These are your announcements for the week.
I will not be silent. I will always worship you. As long as I am breathing, I will always worship you. Saying I will. Say I will. Say as long as say I will.
This is Maiwa. This has been your Sunday morning news. God bless you. Have a wonderful Sunday afternoon. And remember, Jesus is Lord.